Growing azaleas indoors, planting, cutting, soil preparing, step by step. Here is an azalea plant. It is very popular and best flowering shrubs and definitely best for your indoors. As you can see, the whole plant is blooming with flowers. Don't they look like roses? Scientific name is rhododendron, family Ericaceae. Rhodo means rose, dendron means tree. There are over 10,000 of azaleas and nearly 800 species. There are two basic types of azaleas, deciduous and evergreens. Deciduous azaleas are native to the United States, Asia and Europe. Evergreen azaleas are originated in Japan. Many varieties are dense and compact and good to train as a bonsai. Most species have brightly colored flowers that bloom from late winter through to early summer. Once they flower, they will bloom for 15 to 20 days. Buy a deep green colored healthy azalea. Early spring is the best time for planting or replanting. Take a 10-inch pot that has enough room for the root ball. Make sure the pot has sufficient drainage holes. The reason is that azaleas cannot survive in waterlogged soil. Here is a mesh to cover the hole and here is a U-pin to fix the mesh in the bottom. Now insert the U-pin through the mesh. Insert the pin through the hole and press it down. For planting, soil should be well drained, humus rich, moist and acidic, pH level 4.5 to 6. Leaves mold 50%, compost 10%, peat moss or coco peat 10%, sand 10%, rice husks 20%. Mix it well. This potting mix is very light in weight and called no soil potting medium. Put some crushed dry leaves in the bottom. Now fill 1/3 of the pot with this potting medium. Azaleas are acid lovers but lime haters because they won't grow well in high pH level, so don't use vinegar. Kanuma soil is very good for azaleas. It's a Japanese potting medium for ericaceous bonsai like Chatsuki azaleas. Take out the plant from polybag. Remove the topsoil a little because roots are very shallow. Check out the root ball. Don't remove much soil. Nursery soil is also good, so I am going to reuse it. Place the plant in the center. Fill the potting mix around the stem. Form the soil around the root ball. After planting, we must water it immediately. There is a little need for fertilizing at planting time. For cuttings, take a sterilized sharp knife. Cut a piece of branch that is at least 3 to 4 inches long. Remove the lower leaves. Make a slanting cut at the end of the stem. Just like that. These leaves are poisonous, so don't allow children to eat. Place the bottom end of the cutting into water and then shake off the excess water. Stick the end with the rooting hormone. Insert the lower 1/3 each cutting into the medium. Water the cuttings gently. Keep your azalea plant near a window. Make sure they can get the morning sunshine through the window, but protect your azalea from midday rays. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for another update.